Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. My goodness, does it feel good to be back? Oh, can't wait for tomorrow. Oh, I can't wait for tomorrow. Guys, it feels good to be back. Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. Folks, my name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group. And for those of you that do not know, for those that might be joining us for the very first time, TTG is the fastest growing, highest rated premium online trading educational platform and community where we all share the same goal, and that's to learn, trade, and profit together. Okay? We are 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 1,240 reviews. I welcome, invite, and encourage every single one of you to go over to Trustpilot and check out some of those reviews. 5-star rated with over 1,240 reviews. That's insane. Go read them. There's no better referral than that of your peers. Guys, I want to give a big thank you to Benzinga for all of their support. They've been absolutely amazing in supporting True Trading Group and supporting all of our live streams. You guys are absolutely amazing. To better serve our Benzinga community, we've partnered up with the education team over at True Trading Group. If you're looking for great lessons on a fantastic community, we recommend checking them out. Sincerely, my boy, Luke Jacoby, host of Benzinga Power Hour. Guys, go ahead and give them a follow on Twitter if you haven't done so already. Their Twitter handle is @Benzinga, plain and simple. Give them a follow. Thanks again, guys, for supporting the True Trading Group live stream. You guys are awesome. Okay, guys, also I want to make sure you understand that True Trading Group is a platform. Okay, we offer trading tools and resources from companies like Benzinga, TradingView, and Quote Media, just to name a few. THD can literally help you guys change your life for the better, but most importantly, we are a family. We leave no trader behind at True Trading Group. We truly care about one another's success. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here for free on this YouTube channel where myself, other pro trader moderators, and special guests will drop golden nuggets and free lessons and education that can help you become a better and more consistently profitable trader. If you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to not only the right place, but folks, you've come to the place. Take a moment right now, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications. You never want to miss out on any one of these lives. But also, most importantly, share this stream on your own social media. We're live right now on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch. Share this stream. Let's reach out and let's educate as many traders as we possibly can. Now, you might be wondering, well, why should I listen to anything that you have to say or makes you different from anybody else? I'm glad that you asked. You should be skeptical of people that you see on social media that are claiming to teach you the right way to do certain things. Well, folks, you don't have to worry about that because I began my trading career working for a hedge fund right out of college. I did not figure this stuff out on my own. I wasn't in my mother's basement for years trying to figure this stuff out. I was taught by professional traders at a fund on Wall Street in 2007 is my very first job right out of college. Then 2008 happened, which was the great market crisis, the subprime mortgage disaster, the big market crash. But I actually went on to thrive in that environment, receiving one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards in 2008. But before they let me touch $1 of their money, I first had to go through an intensive training program and curriculum that set me on the path to become the trader that I am here now today. Like I said, I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. At True Trading Group, I've since taken that curriculum, I've simplified it, I've expanded on it, I've paired it with today's top premium trading tools from companies like Benzinga, TradingView, Quote Media, and we've made it all available to the THD members for just one price for the entire year. There's no upsells, there's no add-ons, none of that stuff, guys. We're like the Netflix of trading communities. Now, listen to me carefully. This live stream can and most likely will help make you a better trader. For hang out for a bit, get comfortable, get something to take some notes with. We got a lot of stuff going on here today. Let's get ready to learn, trade, and profit together. We're going to start this live stream off with a 15-minute Q&A. We're going to cover all of your questions around day trading, swing trading, stocks, options, crypto, whatever you want to talk about. I'm here to answer your questions. We're going to start that off. Give some time for people to log on. I know it's Sunday night. Everyone's getting excited to get their week started. So we're going to give some time for people to log on. Okay. Then we're going to get into what it takes to become consistently profitable, including trading strategies and psychological lessons that you can use to help you to make money starting tomorrow. Then, folks, it's giveaway time. This is my favorite. These are my favorite live streams. Okay. I do these 6 days a week. Okay, but these are my favorite. Why? Because we are going to be giving away either a brand new Porsche, a brand new Tesla, or $80,000 right here tonight on the slide. Actually, correction, $80,500 right here on this live stream. Folks, we've got our lifetime membership giveaway. That's one of our lifetime members is going to be receiving either a brand new Porsche or $50,000 cash. Winner chooses cash of the car. Then one of our members, annual members, obviously will be included in this one, either a brand new Tesla or $30,000 cash. Again, up to the winner, cash or the car. And then we've got our first time we're ever doing this. I'm super excited to do this. Our TTG3 $500 giveaway, which is something that's brand new. We've never done this before. Okay. All of our TTG3 trial members that are out there, you guys can thank Adam. Okay. You guys can thank SUGE for this one, but we're going to be giving away $500 to one lucky TTG3 member. So we have a lot of stuff here going on today, guys. I'm giving away either 2 brand new cars or $80,500 tonight, happening right here live on this YouTube channel. You guys have picked one hell of a day to come on and join me on one of these lives. So let's not waste any more time. We have a lot to unpack here today. Okay. What I want you all to start doing right now is start typing your questions in chat. Do not be shy. I'm literally sitting here telling you, hey guys, ask me anything. So let's go. Without any further ado, let's begin that Q&A, guys. Start typing your questions in chat right now. Let's do it. Why do stocks typically pull back after opening strong or gapping up after the first few minutes of the trading day? Well, Charles, I mean, listen, it's not, that doesn't happen all the time. Okay. It's not, there's just as many times as you have a stock that gaps up and pulls in, just as many times you have a stock that gaps up and pulls and takes off. It's called a gap and go. So a gap and go is a stock that gaps up and right off the open just continues higher. It's called a gap and go. Okay. You have a gap and crap, which is stock gaps up and then gives back that entire gap up and literally pulls back to the prior day's close, gives back the entire gap up. That's called a gap and crap. But it seems like you're talking about just a regular gap up and a slight pullback before maybe consolidating, forming a pattern, or maybe continuing higher. The reason mostly for that sometimes is just profit taking. It's just usually profit taking. When you get a big gap up, sometimes you'll get some profit taking that'll step in. It depends also, I think, on whether it's a small cap or a large cap. On a small cap, on a big gap up, you get a lot of short sellers will come in there and they'll short that big gap up. But usually when you get a big gap up like that, you have maybe some bag holders that have been holding that stock from higher prices for a long period of time. Or maybe there's just some long traders that if it's a large cap stock that gives you a big gap up, they just say, wow, you know what? This has exceeded my expectations. I'm going to take my profits off the table. So usually that first pullback off that opening gap, usually profit taking. First of all, congrats, Mike T. Thank you very much. Do you think the market will push higher this week? I do. In fact, I do. We've been seeing this real low volume kind of float higher. To me, it kind of looks like the markets want to push and they want to extend. I was off all of last week. I really wasn't looking too much at overall markets. Really wasn't a lot to look at anyway. The overall markets were real tight range all of last week. Very choppy session last week while the markets were just teetering at all-time highs. So we're going to take a dive in and see what we got coming up here this week. But I don't really think there's anything that can really stand in our way. I think you might start to get, I think this is going to be the beginning of the melt up. I think we're going to see a little bit of a melt up going into the end of the summer. And I think the markets are set up beautifully for that. We're sitting right here at all-time highs. We've got low volume. Typically when the market extends to all-time highs, you want to see volume increase, but this is that melt up action that I'm talking about, where now we're getting into the summer months. People are anxious. People are ready to get out. They're ready to travel, go on vacation, go out to dinner, go out to bars. Like people are ready to go. And now you've got all these other states, even your most strict states that were locked down with COVID and had mask mandates and dining restrictions and capacity limits. They're all being lifted kind of nationwide now, where it's not necessarily just Texas and Florida that are lifting. I mean, you're even getting New York and New Jersey. Some of the more stricter states are also lifting. And I think that's just going to carry us through the summer. As I think you have this euphoric feeling, the COVID strains those like the India strain, and you have the Brazil and South America, all those other strains not posing any, if it's been enough of a time period now where they're not posing any, you're not seeing any real medical issue with these strains as far as the vaccine, as far as it started to spread and started to see another spike in cases. Things seem to be pretty muted. So I think that we're kind of blue skies ahead, and I think the market's going to have a little bit of a melt up going into the end of the summer. And then I think that Q4, the end of Q3, Q4, I think is when you're going to really start to hear that inflation talk and the tapering from the Fed and rising interest rates possibly. And I think that's when you'll start to see the markets kind of shake up a little bit. Guys, for any reason, also, let me say this real quick. For any reason, if this live stream goes down, we have included a backup link in the description below. Okay, we're not expecting any issues with the live stream, okay, but just in case, because it's such a big night with all the giveaways that we're doing today, guys, we're literally giving away over $80,000 tonight right here on this live stream. All right, that's a lot of money. That's life-changing money for a lot of people. All right, so since it's such a big night tonight, we've included a backup link in the description of this video. Copy that link. Hold on to it. So just in case this live goes down, we're going to go right back live on that new link. All right, so just so you guys have it. How come the trade breaks below the support level during a descending triangle but doesn't for a TTG triangle? Well, again, Batman, that's not something that is necessarily always true. Okay, descending triangles are actually neutral patterns. Okay, a lot of people like to consider them, trend continuation patterns, but I think they're neutral patterns. Descending triangles and ascending triangles, I think, are neutral, where there's just as much of a likelihood of you getting continuation as you do reversal. Ascending wedges and descending wedges tend to be a lot more of reversal patterns. And then your typical bull flag or bear flag is a trend continuation pattern. And then the descending or ascending triangle is kind of in between. There's a lot of other factors that you need to consider when you're looking at a chart pattern. This is what you guys will learn in True Trading Group. Okay, professional technical analysis. Now, what I teach all my members is not just identifying a chart pattern. Just identifying a chart pattern, it's not enough, because all of these chart patterns are not created equal. I can show you 10 different bull flags, okay? And I might look at 10 bull flags. I might only trade 2 of them because I only think 2 of them are grade A bull flags. You have an A setup, a B setup, and a C setup. An A setup maybe works itself out 70 to 75% of the time. A B setup, 60 to 65% of the time. And a C setup is probably more like a 50-50 coin flip. Now, it's not the price action that dictates that probability. It's everything else. It's where are the rest of your indicators? Where's your Fibonacci level? Where's your VWAP? Where's your trade line? Okay, what's your volume profile look like? Is the volume increasing or decreasing at certain points during that pattern? Where are your other key major resistance and support levels on the daily chart? Where's your major moving averages, your 50-day, your 100-day, your 200-day? Is there news? Is there a fundamental catalyst? All of these other factors will determine the quality of a descending triangle. This is what I mean by every chart pattern is not created equal. It's not enough just to say this is a descending triangle. That's not good enough. Okay, the reason why TTG triangles will tend to work out a lot more, because you have to understand what a TTG triangle actually is. For those of you that are experienced traders, you may be familiar with the term ABCD pattern. A TTG triangle is essentially just an ABCD pattern with very specific criteria that makes it a grade A ABCD pattern, where it's the highest probability pattern that I can find. Now, does that mean it's going to work 100% of the time? Of course not. Nothing works 100% of the time. But all we can do as traders is identify, okay, all you can do as traders is identify those high probability setups. Okay, that's all you can do as traders. Identify those high probability setups and put yourself on the right side of them. So like the TTG triangle is grade A. You're going to have heavy volume through the high of the day, low volume on the pullback. You're going to have that initial morning high. It's going to line up with trade line VWAP 38.2 fib level, maybe 23.6 fib level. It's a grade A setup. That's why that descending triangle is going to work a lot more often than if you just see a descending triangle anywhere else in the market. Okay. That's why TT triangles are my favorite patterns. There's actually an entire course in our curriculum that teaches you how to identify and trade TTG triangles. You know, if somebody said to me, Mike, you can only trade one setup in the whole market, what would it be? It'd be a TT triangle, because the probability rate is so high and the risk reward is so great. Like when a TT triangle works out, you can pull out 4, 5, 6 R sometimes on these trades, which is nuts. Okay. So that's why, you know, that's my answer for that one. How do you find plays? Do you use a screener? So Adrian Lovefall, I'm glad you asked. We actually have a Trade Ideas scanner that's included free with your membership. It gets streamed to our members all day, every day. It has a scanner for small caps, a scanner for mid caps, and a scanner for large caps. It's going to show you what stocks are making new highs, what stocks are your leading gappers, which stocks have an unusual volume surge. That scanner is totally free. It's included with your membership. You get access to that all day, every day. Okay, so that scanner is a lot of how we identify and how we find what are the best stocks for us to be trading during the day. Nice. Jared, what'd you think, man? Jared from Facebook, you just finished the TG Triangle course today. Tell me what you thought about it. Comment right in chat. Tell me tell me what you thought about that course. Do you see the recent cyber events as a catalyst for an uptick in the technology sector? How do I actually get this down here? Hold on one second, guys. Is this a good reason to watch the cyber tech stocks for the short-term trading or a long hold? Tony, I love where your head's at, brother. I love where your head is at. So about maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, I did a live stream, maybe 3 weeks ago. I did a live stream and I gave you guys some ideas for some a new batch of stocks that I'm looking at for long-term holds. And cybersecurity is right up at the top of that list. What we have going on right now with these hacks, it is disgusting what's going on. First, it was the Colonial Pipeline, right? The largest gas pipeline in the United States. Then it was the largest meat distributor in the United States. Then it was the largest mass transportation company in the United States. Now it's Facebook, Amazon, Apple, 26 million users. Their information has been hacked. I don't know about you guys, but somebody actually just tried to hack into one of my social media accounts just a couple of days ago. I got like the notification, you know? So it's pretty crazy. And I think that that's only going to get worse. You know, like, those capabilities are only going to get more and more advanced. Hackers are not going to have less ability as computing speed and computing AI and computing strengths increase as technology increases. So, you know, warfare these days, honestly, it's cyber. And I think that there's a growing need, and I think that's going to be a continued growing need. And I think that as long as these hacks are in the news headlines, you can treat them as short-term trades. I think there could be a lot of opportunity there with short-term trades for catalysts within the sector, but I think they're excellent long-term holds. I think cybersecurity is a sector that you've got to stash in your long-term portfolio. Between cybersecurity and like the semiconductors, two of the sectors that I think must be in a long-term portfolio. Is this course good for beginners? Okay, I got to answer this in 2 different ways, Troy. First, TTG is not just a course. That's one thing I really want you to understand, Troy. TTG is an entire platform that gives traders access to tools and resources in one spot. So like a trading simulator, a news feed, a charting software, analyst reports, you know, level 2 information, a stock screener and scanner. All of these things are included free with your membership. So they're all on your member platform. Okay. That's first and foremost. Secondly, is it for beginners? It's for everyone. And the reason why that is that we have members that never trade a stock a day in their life. And then we have members that have been trading for 25 plus years. We literally have members that never had a trading account. They never bought a stock a day in their life before they joined True Trading Group. Then we also have licensed financial professionals in Canada. We've got stockbrokers at Morgan Stanley that have been in the stockbroker business for over 25 years. We've got asset managers in Australia that manage money for 50 high net worth individuals and everything in between. Okay. We break down all of our coursework for beginners and then advanced. So our beginner and our foundation courses will literally start you off from day one, holding your hand like you have no idea what you're doing. Here, watch this. Guys, how many of my TTG fam, guys, if you can, I want you to type the letter I in chat right now. If you're making money now and you knew nothing when you joined True Trading Group, okay? If you're making money now and you knew nothing when you first joined True Trading Group, sound off in chat right now, type the letter I. Now, Tony and anybody else that's asking that question, I want you to pay very close attention to the amount of letter I's that are coming through on the side of the screen right now. These are TTG members that are now making money, but did not know a thing about stocks or options when they first joined True Trading Group. So hopefully this should answer your question, Tony. And anybody else that has that same question, is this for beginners? If you don't know anything about it, listen, do not let my level of experience like make you feel like, oh, this is over my head. I've been doing this for almost 17 years now. Okay. But I also had a day one. And all of our members, we have all, look at all these letter I. Guys, oh my God, look at how many letter I's are coming through chat right now. This is crazy. These are TTG members that are now making money that knew nothing about trading when they first joined. That's the power of a professional education. That's the power of being part of a community that genuinely gives a shit. That's it right there. All of those letter I's coming through chat right now. Awesome. So awesome. I love it. I love it. I love seeing this. I love seeing this. Next question. I'll take maybe like one more question or so, guys. Then I got some stuff that I want to talk to you guys about a little bit. Some lessons kind of want to go over with you. So kind of like some psychological lessons that can help you guys with consistent profitability and actually, you know, building wealth over the long period of time. Just signed up for my, hey, Paul, my man. Yes, Paul, my man. Welcome back, I should say. Welcome back, Paul. Paul just renewed his membership. I love it. I signed up with 3 different groups to teach me, but once I signed up with TTD, I canceled the rest. Woden, my man. I love it. I love it. That's really what separates us from the rest of the crowd, guys, honestly. Second time here. The info you're telling is great. I have 2 friends that are TTD. I can't wait to hop in. Yes. Lawful. Join the fam, bro. Join the fam. I'm looking forward to trading with you tomorrow. Do you have to have a comp or can you use a phone? You can use a phone. We actually have one of our moderators who just only uses a phone. That's how crazy that he is. His name is The Wolf, Jason Spadafora. He trades from his cell phone. Okay. We also have a lot of our members. Okay. We also have a lot of our members that actually trade from their cell phone. So here's something that is, you know, interesting little fun fact that a lot of people may not know. The majority of TTD members have full-time jobs. The majority of them. Okay. And we have a mobile app that every member has access to for iPhone and Android that you can download that will actually allow you to be logged into chat even when you're not in front of your computer. So you can still see the screen share. You can hear the moderators because we talk to you live over the microphone. We tell you what we're doing, what we're buying, what we're selling. We talk to you live on the microphone. You can hear that through the mobile app. And then whenever one of the mods buys or sells anything, you get a push notification sent directly to your phone. Okay, you get a push notification coming right to your phone. So that's how you guys are able to. All right. I'll get to that in just a second. That's how you're able. That's how you're able to actually, you know, trade on from your phone by getting those mobile apps. I was actually going to ask our members how many of them were actually working full-time jobs, but let's get to this question real quick. I just became a member. Hold on. I just became a member. Which course would you recommend for me to begin with so that I hit the ground running tomorrow? It took me a 26K loss to seek out education. Felipe, listen, man, I I'm sorry to hear about the loss. I really am, and I wish you would have. I wish you could have found us earlier. What I will say, Felipe, is to if you're not yet a profitable trader, brother, start from the very beginning. Honestly, there may be things that you think that you know, but you actually don't. A lot of our members can attest to this. Okay, a lot of our members can attest to this. A lot of members, been trading for a little while. They think they know kind of what they're doing. Then they go through the courses and they realize how much they didn't know. My advice to you would be to start with the very beginning courses, even the very most beginner basic. Now, some of it might seem kind of overkill or rudimentary for you, but what's the rush, man? What's the rush? Go through the coursework, start from the beginning, and then as you're going to be trading, my advice to you is to trade on the simulator. Don't just say, hey, I just joined TTG, I'm ready to start making money, and you're going to come into chat tomorrow and you're like, I'm going to do everything the moderators do, and I'm going to go, I'm going crazy, I'm going pedal to the metal, I'm going full speed ahead. Don't do that. Okay? I know you're going to be, people get very excited when they join TTG. It's a great environment. It's a great community. It's a great platform. But take your time. Learn the material. Trade on the simulator. Because if you're going to make mistakes, make them on the simulator. We don't need to lose. You already lost 26,000. We don't need to lose another 26,000. We don't need to lose another 1,000. Let's get the education. Take your time. The market's not going anywhere. It's human nature to want to make that money back very quickly. Don't do that. Take your time. Go through the beginner and foundation courses. Trade on the simulator. Then move on to the advanced courses. Ask questions. Spend time in chat. DM the moderators. You have the ability in chat to message me and the other moderators in chat to ask us questions. Do it. Go through the video library. There's over 100 hours of additional educational video content in the video library that covers all different topics. Go through it. Use all of the things that are at your disposal on your TTG platform. Then start trading with real money once you've proven on the simulator that you can make money, because we don't know what the problem is yet, Felipe. We don't know what mistakes you're making. Let's figure that out first so we know what to correct. Then you work on making money. There's a reason why our slogan is learn, trade, profit. Not trade, profit, learn. Learn first, trade second, profit third. Okay? Other groups charge twice as much as we do, guys. They only give you like 90-day access to a simulator, which is crazy to me. Some people, 90-day access to a simulator. What? A lot of people can't even, go through courses and get themselves, they've got other things going on in life. That I know some people that traded on a simulator for an entire year until they felt like they were ready. Take your time. Don't be rushed. Don't be on somebody else's clock. This is your money we're talking about, not somebody else's. This is your money. So you go on your clock. You learn at your pace, not somebody else's. Okay? Now, I want to switch back. I want to go back because I was going to ask my members about that phone question that one of you brought up, that I do think it's important that I ask, because then there's a lot of people that are on here tonight that maybe don't realize, or they might think that, oh man, I work a full-time job, I can't do this, or I'm limited, I'm restricted. Now, yes, are you limited to certain type of day trades? Yes, but are you limited from making money in the markets? Absolutely not. And here's my proof. All of my TTG members right now, I want you to sound off in chat. If you're making money with your training group while working a full-time job, I want you to sound off, type the letter I in chat, plus what's your profession. So if you're a member of True Trading Group and you're killing it right now while working a full-time job, type the letter I and then comment, what is your profession? Anyone that's on this live stream right now that is doubting their ability to do this because they have a full-time job, my advice to you is to not listen to me, but to read. Read right here. Read these comments coming through chat. That's what I want you to do. Look at all these letter I's. Accountant, carpenter, instructor, farmer, truck driver, veterinarian, I said vegetarian, police officer, I can't even read, they're coming through so fast, high school teacher, tech sales, office management, janitor, electrician, self-employed, groundskeeper, heavy equipment, military. Thank you for your service and the sacrifice of you and your family from the bottom of my heart, all of our active and retired military. Thank you very much, guys. Construction, contractor, nurse, property management, engineer, property sales, auto mechanic. Someone says drug dealer. Come on, man. Come on. General contractor, design engineer, Amazon line worker, pre-K teacher, auto insurance, wholesaler, engineer, dental assistant, electrician, pharmacist, consultant, a pilot, a sign maker, a babysitter, a SoundCloud rapper, owns a tattoo studio, a railroader. You don't see many of those anymore. FDNY, fire department. Security consultant, attorney, artist, musician, strength coach, 911 dispatcher. You guys see what I'm saying? This is what I'm talking about. Again, a painter, educator. I love it. I love it. Guys, all of these people that are commenting you right now, these are people that work full-time jobs. And yes, stay-at-home mom and dads, also full-time job. Okay? It's important for you guys to understand that you do not need to be sitting in front of your computer all day, every day to do this. You just don't. That's why in True Trading Group, we have so many different moderators. There's a reason why it's not just me. It's me plus 8 others. And that's because all of our moderators each have their own niche, their own style, their own strategy. You guys saw that this week. Okay? You saw all of our other moderators on these live streams last week, kind of breaking down their trades, giving you their input, breaking down their analysis, going through their trading styles. That's why TTG, it's not just, hey, watch Mike trade. Okay, it's True Trading Group. There is a group of us. And my trading style might not be for you, but maybe one of our other mods, their trading style is for you. We have moderators that specifically only swing trade. We have moderators that specifically only trade options. We have moderators that day trade. We have moderators that trade the overall markets and indexes like the SPY and the Qs. You know, we do shorting. We do high volatility, low volatility. We do trend continuation, trend reversal, morning trading, afternoon trading, crypto trading. There's something literally for everybody in True Trading Group. So that's why it's important that I wanted to ask that question. I wanted you all to see for yourself that just because you have a full-time job, that doesn't mean that you guys can't do this. Okay? It doesn't mean that. All right, guys, that just about wraps it up there for the Q&A. You guys asked some really great questions. Amazing. I love it. Now, there were a lot of people that were on here, though, that were asking questions that kind of made me think that a lot of you guys were new to the stream. So I want to know, actually, type the number 1 in chat right now if this is your first TTG live stream or you're not a member. Okay? If this is your first live stream or you're not a member, type the number 1 in chat right now. All right, I can't even read this fast. All right, Kevin, Mike B, I can't even read this fast. Alex A, Rock 808, RB Thomas. I did somehow see RB Thomas though every time. Irene, Edwin Diaz, Thomas Z, Phantom Killer Gaming, Joris Boss, Sandy Dollar, Yuma Shankar, David, Jose Blanco, Garrett Scott Hefner, Anton HHH, Colombian for Hire, Cristobal Perez, Ellie Rue, Troy Brown, Chris Parker, Cortez, Robert Escobar, Islam Solomon, Norberto Cintron, Udeus, Tiffany Bowman, Samurai, Molly Killingsworth, Doc Trader, Robert Smith, Paul Benju, Scott Lecklighter, Muhammad Al-Ramadan, Mark, Glory Legacies LLC, My Lee, Johnny 9602, Jay Oko, Siva Charlotte, Dominique Georges, Celine Johnson, Peter Ivanov, LW, Roseanne Knight, Drit Z, Crypto Together, Great G36, Carlos, Brandon Strybeck, Alvin Bratton, Mamadou, Galadriel Lawrence. I don't know, I'm not pronouncing these right. Allison Cole. Wow, guys, awesome. Listen, there's so many new faces that are on here tonight. Welcome all of our new members, or welcome all of you that are maybe just tuning into the live stream for the very first time tonight. Welcome all of you guys. Seriously, welcome. So I saw there were a couple of people that were asking, like, hey, how do I join? How do I get your course? Guys, just listen real quickly. For those that were asking, True Trading Group is a 1-year membership. It's normally $2,212 for the year. However, until midnight Pacific tonight, it's actually your chance to save 42%, brings the price all the way down to just $1,274. Okay, by using coupon code TTG121. Okay, so use the code TTG121. That'll get you the 42% discount. It brings the price all the way down to just $1,274 for the entire year. Okay, it's just over like $100 a month. Okay, so that's TTG121. We've got the last 40 for tonight only, I believe. Laptops, we have a total of 35. 40, then we got 40 of them. Yep, all right, we got 40 of them. All right, we got 40 of them. Guys, we got 40 laptops here tonight. So the first 40 people that use coupon code TTG121 are going to get a 42% discount on the membership. You're also going to get a brand new free laptop. Our gift to you for joining the fam. We got 40 of them. Okay. Now you have to actually enter the coupon code TTG121 to get the discount. You actually have to click apply code. So I can do it automatically. Then you'll see the laptop in your checkout, like right there on our checkout page. You see that little laptop right there. That's how you know that you're one of the 40. The laptop will be in your checkout. If you get to the checkout and that laptop is not there, that means we're sold out of laptops. What kind? Adam, what do we got? Is it Asus, HP, or Lenovo's? Asus and HP and a couple Lenovo's. Okay. So it's either an Asus or HP laptop. We have a couple Lenovo's, but most of the 40 are Asus or HP. All right. We even cover the shipping. Yes, we do ship globally. All right. It's our gift to you for joining the TGD fam. So again, use coupon code TGD121. You get the 42% discount and you get a free laptop. Now, like I said, you guys get everything for that one price. There's no upsells in TGD ever. It's one price for a whole year. You get access to everything we have. That's our 17-course curriculum. This is a simplified version of the stuff I learned working at the fund. Remember, beginner, advanced courses, option courses, swing trading courses, trader psychology courses, crypto courses, you name it, we've got it. You get access to all of it in text and video format. You get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, which is directly inside of our chat, which gives you breaking up to the second news alerts. You get Quote Media's real-time level 1 and full book level 2, which gives you all the market maker depth. You get Trading Views Pro Plus charting software. You get ETNA's simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money with real-time data. Okay, that's included. Access to our chat room, which is a proprietary software, guys. We share our screen. The moderators are on the mic. You can DM us. Okay, we send out the real-time trade alerts. You know, it's not Telegram, WhatsApp, or Discord. It's a proprietary software. It's unlike anything you've ever seen. We trade all day. We're not gone after 2 hours. You have to fend for yourself. We're there all day long, calling out opportunities, answering your questions. And right now, between all of our moderators, we are currently sporting about an 83% win rate in chat. All right. We give you access to us. We don't charge more for any of that stuff to answer questions. None of that. You guys have access to us during the day. We do live workshops and webinars. We do one-on-one mentor sessions, small private study groups. All this is included. You got our new crypto courses are now out. We got our small account challenge that starts up soon, which is $100,000 in cash prizes for our small account challenge. That's going to be a hell of a lot of fun. And we do a bunch of giveaways, as you guys can see tonight. Every time we get 300 new members, we give away a Tesla or $30,000. Every time we get 150 new lifetime members, we give away a Porsche or $50,000. Well, folks, both of those things have happened, and we're doing them both tonight. Tonight, one lucky member is going to get either a Tesla or 30 grand. Tonight, another lucky member is going to get either a Porsche or $50,000. Just a lot of fun that we like to have with all of our members. Okay. And like I said, only for tonight, the first 40 people that use that coupon code are going to be getting a free laptop with the 42% discount, guys. Okay. And we've got a money back guarantee also. I'll just add that in there. Everything I'm saying to you guys is on the website. I'm so confident in the platform and in the education that we have created that if you do not make back your $1,274 membership fee, if you don't make that back at least once after going through all our courses, passing the quizzes at the end of the courses, and attend at least one private study group, if you do those three things and you do not make back $1,274, the price of your membership tonight, if you don't make that back at least one time during your membership, I will give you all of your money back. That is how much I believe this can and will work for you, that I'm willing to stand behind and put my money where my mouth is. I stand behind my platform. I stand behind my education. And that's why I'm willing to offer you that money back guarantee. So again, use the coupon code TTG121. Get the 42% discount. Get the brand new laptop. Give yourself a chance to win the next Tesla $30,000 giveaway and get that money back guarantee. Okay. Now, let's move on. I want to get into, there's a couple of lessons that I want to go over with you guys. There's a couple of lessons that I want to go over with you guys that is something that has really kind of come to me over the last couple of days because of all the stuff that's been going on with all the meme stocks. My inbox is flooded with questions about AMC, GameStop, CLOV, flooded. Blake and Brandon, welcome. Everybody give a big warm TTG welcome to Blake and Brandon. Blake and Brandon, welcome to the TTG fam. Oh, and David coming in there, number 3 real quick. Blake, Brandon, David, all of my TTG family members. All my TTG fam, welcome. Blake, Brandon, and David to the family. Our family just got 3 bigger. Welcome, guys. Oh, and Lynn, make it 4. We just got 4. And everybody give a big warm welcome to Lynn as well. Welcome to the TTG family, guys. Guys, do not forget, you have to enter the coupon code TTG121 to get the discount. Then, once you sign up, at the bottom right of our website, there's a little blue support chat icon. Guys, Blake, Brandon, David, Lynn, click that blue support chat icon and fill out your information. That's how you claim your free laptop. You fill out your information and we're going to send that laptop right out to you guys within the next few business days. Okay? So that's how you guys claim that free laptop once you do sign up. Again, TTG121 coupon code. Okay, so back to the lessons. Guys, I've got so many questions from people about these meme stocks. It's crazy. Okay, also, full disclosure, I sold my CLOV position last week. Okay, I owned CLOV from the 12s. When CLOV shot all the way up to 24, 25, I was ringing the cash register. Okay, so I sold at around $18 and then just over $23 of that CLOV position. So a lot of people were asking me what I thought about it. That's my answer. Okay, that's what I thought about it. My thoughts on it were to sell and ring the cash register on that. And I'm glad that I did because the stock is now back to 15. Okay, and I was ringing the cash register on that one. So I'm happy that I did. I still do have a small piece, but the bulk of that position, guys, well off the table. Rung the cash register on that CLOV. That was a huge gain that just kind of popped and kind of came out of nowhere. So like I said, run the cash register on that one. But that kind of had me thinking. It kind of had me think because a lot of people have been asking me about these stocks. And like when you see me ring the cat, Joshua, welcome to the family, brother. Everybody, my fam, give a big warm welcome to Joshua. Okay. So, what I want to tell you guys, so many people were asking me, like they saw CLOV go to 2025, right? And I start getting all these people are messaging me like, Mike, do you think CLOV can go to 50? And I go, what? I think CLOV can go to 50. I'm like, guys, I'm selling this thing. Stock doesn't belong up there. But what do you have? You have all these people that are so accustomed to the GameStop and AMCs of the world. Okay? That are so accustomed to the GameStops and the AMCs of the world, where they just refuse to ever sell these positions. And this kind of had me thinking, that there's a big difference between a YOLO swing for the fence type of trade and a trading style that's going to help you guys be consistent over the long haul and actually build a long-term portfolio. Now, it just depends on like, what are you looking to do? You know, it's up to you. There's no right or wrong. I mean, it's up to you. If you want to swing for the fences and that's the style that you want to implement, go for it. If you just want to buy and hold until things go to the moon, go for it. Okay, not something that I recommend, which is why I sold CLOV. Okay, I'll get into AMC and everything in a minute. I think AMC, the chart actually looks pretty decent. Okay, and the chart actually looks pretty decent on AMC. It's gonna be right at the top of my watch list for tomorrow. I'll talk about that in just a minute. Okay, but we actually had, I think it was Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab put out a report where they actually said that 15% of the trading volume that was transacted through Charles Schwab was done so by accounts that had just been opened in the last year or the last 18 months. So from 2020 to current day. That's insane. That's an insanely high amount of volume. 15% of all retail trading in the market this year came from accounts that were created in 2020. That's amazing. Amazing. I can't tell you how happy I am to see so many people getting involved in the market that never were. Because the sad reality is that more than half the population in the United States does not own stocks. That's terrible. Because stocks is an amazing way to build long-term wealth. You know, the markets just go up and up and up and up and up. From the beginning of time, the markets have just gone straight up with very brief moments of sell-offs. But the markets then go back up all the time. Since the beginning of time, since the formation of the Dow, the markets have just done this with very brief moments of short decline. And the fact that so many people are not taking part in this, it's sad. It's sad. But why are they not taking part of it? Think about that. Ask yourself that question. Why? Lack of education. Fear. Well, what's the root cause in fear? Lack of education. You fear the unknown, right? Everyone's heard that phrase before. Fear of the unknown. Fear of losing money. Not being educated. Celine and Rose, welcome to the TG family. Everyone give a big warm welcome to Celine and Rose. Out of that 15%, Charles Schwab did a survey. Out of that 15%, this is going to blow your mind. Out of that 15%, 28% of them said, I'm going to stick to my YOLO trading style, which is like, I'm going to buy GameStop, I'm going to buy AMC, and I'm never going to sell. Okay? They're just going to put their whole account in there, and they're going to close their eyes, and they're going to see what happens, diamond hands to the moon. 28% of those people still say, that's how I want to trade. 72% of the new retail accounts that were created in 2020 are now looking to implement a strategy where they can learn to do this long term, where they can learn to do this on a more consistent basis, where they're not YOLOing. And what does that mean? YOLOing. You only live once. That's the acronym, YOLO. You only live once. It means like, hey, man, I'm just taking a shot. I'm going to put a bunch of money in AMC, and I'm just going to see if it goes to 100. And if it doesn't, so be it. If it does, I'm going to make a boatload of money. That's what you call the YOLO trade. Okay? Now, a lot of people did that with GameStop. A lot of people did that with AMC. A lot of people are still doing that with GameStop and AMC. I'm not saying that you guys are wrong. That's just one style. But 72% of those people that opened up accounts in 2020 are now saying, I don't want to do that. I want to build a long-term portfolio. I want to learn how to make money consistently in different places. That's a beautiful thing, because that shows you that all of these brand new retail traders that were always looked at as dumb money. Okay. Wall Street has certain phrases for certain groups of people. The institutions, the hedge funds, the banks, they're called Smart money. Your retail traders, your mom and pops, your single traders like us, they were always called dumb money. Well, that dumb money is starting to get a hell of a lot smarter. This is the single biggest way for you to close the gap between you and the 1%. There is no limit to your upside in this market, ladies and gentlemen. That is the beauty of this. My sister's a high school English teacher. She'll never make 300 grand a year, ever. She'll be the best English teacher in the country. She'll never make 300 grand a year. Well, guess what? The best traders in the country, they make 300 grand in a couple hours. That's the type of potential that the markets give you. But with that potential does come risk. Learning how to do this the right way, learning how to do this on a consistent basis, learning how to do this for the long haul is what can help you bridge that gap between you and the 1%. What I don't like is when I see people that do these YOLO trades, make a bunch of money, and then lose it because they don't know how to keep it. They don't know how to grow it. Guys, if you bought AMC at $7 and you sold it at 60, or you're still holding it, congratulations. Now focus on how do you keep that money and make it more. If you bought GameStop at 20 and you're still holding it, congratulations. But now how do you keep that money and grow it? How do you invest it long term? How do you build wealth over the next 5 years, 10 years, 15 years? How do you build wealth that you can leave to your children? That's what those 72% of the 15%, according to the Charles Schwab report, that's what they're looking to now do. That is what a professional education can help you learn. That's what we focus on at your trading group. I am not the trader that's going to buy AMC at $8 and is going to hold it until it gets to 100. That is not my trading style. Now, if AMC went from 8 to 100, I'm going to trade AMC like a madman. I'm going to buy it and sell it and buy it and sell it and buy it and sell it probably 10 times throughout that process. And I'll make money just along the way, just like everyone is that's holding it. But for the other 99% of the time that stocks don't do what AMC and GameStop did, because those are very isolated occurrences, folks. In case you haven't realized, it's not every day that you see a stock go from $12 to $4.50 like GameStop. It's not every day that you see a stock go from $8 to $70 like AMC. That's not the norm. This is not normal what you are seeing. And what I want you all to understand is that when you make this money in these stocks, I hope AMC goes to 100. You kidding me? I'll be trading it. I'll be in it with all of you. All of you that are long, I'm in it with you if it goes to 100. I'll be the happiest trader there is. Trust me. We'll be on here doing live streams like, what? AMC 100? We'll be recapping the whole trade. I'll be the happiest person alive. Trust me. I like money just like you do. I love opportunity in the markets. But that's not normal for stocks to trade that way. So if you're looking to make money on a consistent basis, you got to kind of temper your expectations a little bit. If you want to take your YOLO trades, great, fine, go for it. But have a more consistent strategy that you can take all of your winnings and grow it over time safely, where you're not going to make 100 grand on AMC and then lose 80 grand of it doing something else. Make 100 grand in AMC, turn that 100 into 300 over the next 5 years. That's what I want you guys all to learn. These are the type of strategies and styles that we implement in True Trading Group. These are the type of styles and strategies that I teach all of my members. This is the types of strategies and styles that I implement myself. You know, you see a $100 bill on the ground, folks, pick it up. Invest it. Turn that 100 into 150. And move on. You know, I don't fall in love with stocks. I don't fall in love with the trade. There's always going to be opportunities. Always. You just have to know where to look. And you have to know how to capitalize on it. I capitalized on GameStop. I capitalized on AMC. I made a lot of money in those two stocks. I'm not in either one of them right now. I do not own a single share of either one of those stocks. That might change tomorrow. I might buy AMC tomorrow. I don't know. Why not? Chart looks good. Those high, that like $38, $40 level, that support level, it's holding. It's holding good. I'm surprised. Still holding. It deserves your attention. As long as AMC is above $36, it should be on your screen. Let's pull up the chart, actually. I want to talk about it for a second. Let's pull up AMC. Let's go over this for just a second. Now, there's a lot of people in here that are anxious about AMC. They want to know, what do you think about AMC? What do you think about AMC? Here you have it. This level right here, this line that is drawn on my screen. Folks, this was your previous, I'll go out to a weekly chart so you guys can see this. I don't think you guys understand. For those of you that are novice traders or that are not, not technical traders as far as technical analysis, I don't think you understand how major that $36 level is. It's a major level, 36. Major. That is a double top all-time high from 2015 and 2016. It's a huge level. Okay, huge level. But now let's see what happens when I zoom this in and we go to the daily. This is I'm going to leave this line there. This line, I'm going to leave it there. We're going to go to the daily chart. We're going to zoom this in. And then you'll see we paused right there. Remember when AMC was having that squeeze? We topped out right at 36, but then we squeezed and broke through it. And then look at what's happened. It held support, not once, but twice. And now it looks like we're holding support even higher. Looks like that support level has kind of stepped up a little bit, doesn't it? Looks like it stepped up a little bit. I like what I'm seeing here. You have a nice little downtrend line. This is a descending triangle. That's not a bad looking setup, folks. A trigger point for me on AMC, I'll tell you guys this right now. A trigger point for me on AMC, if AMC can get above 52. If AMC can get above 52, I think it goes back to 60. Okay? Again, if AMC gets over 52 tomorrow, I'm going to be long. And I'm going to look for this to get to 60. 60 will be a profit target for me. Okay? 60 will be a profit target for me. That'll be these highs. And then if you get through 60, then you're talking about a test of the low 70s. That 69 to 72 area, which was heavy resistance these 2 days. Those are your resistance levels on AMC. Okay? Oops, I didn't mean to delete that. Let me draw that one back. These are your resistance levels on AMC. Okay? These are your resistance levels on AMC. And I think as long as AMC stays above 36, you've got to have it on your watch list. You've got to have it on your watch list as long as we're above 36. I said that 2 weeks ago. You got to have it on your list. Okay? You got to have it on your list. All right? So again, tomorrow, my game plan tomorrow, if I see AMC above 52, I'm a buyer. I'm looking for it to go to 60. Okay? If it gets over 52, I think it goes to 60. All right? All right, folks? So there you have it. All right, so that's AMC. Those are my thoughts there on AMC. I would draw those lines on your screen, folks. I would draw your lines. All right? I would draw your lines out. Leave them up there. Yeah, guys, for the options, I'll let you know tomorrow in chat. I'm going to buy, if I do trade AMC tomorrow, it'll be the stock itself. I'm going to trade the stock. But if I do go long or short, whatever, maybe long, I think I gotta take a look at the option chain tomorrow. You know, I haven't, you know, I was off last week. I really wasn't looking at the options chain. I wasn't looking at anything like that. So I'll have to take a look at the option chain tomorrow to see if I do think that there's a play there. The options are crazy expensive on AMC, but you know, you could flip them in and out pretty quickly. They're really, really volatile. So I'll let you know if I do buy the stock. I'll let you guys know what option to buy to kind of coincide with the trade that I'm making, but I'll go after the stock itself. Okay. But the options are very, very expensive. So your risk reward is off with these options, just so you guys understand that. The risk reward is off. Your risk is actually the risk side of that equation is much higher. The risk side is much higher than normal. Yeah, I see there's a bunch of you that are asking me about the gamma squeeze. I did a live stream about a week and a half ago that was actually titled, "What is a gamma squeeze?" A lot of people keep talking about gamma squeeze, but they have no idea what it means. Chris, welcome to the Teach family. So I did a whole live stream explaining what a gamma squeeze is. It has everything to do with the options. Basically, what ends up happening is when you get a bunch of traders that buy a whole lot of really far out of the money options, okay? And you also had Chris Toner, one of our moderators, did like a 40-minute presentation last week on a live stream about the gamma squeeze. But when you get a bunch of traders buy really, it's like, let's say a bunch of traders come in tomorrow and they buy $100 strike call options on AMC. And I mean a lot, like they buy 200,000 contracts. Okay. Well, don't forget, one contract equals 100 shares. So one contract gives you the leverage over 100 shares. So the market makers that are selling those contracts, they want to hedge that position in case the stock actually goes to 100. So in case the stock goes to 100, they need to hedge that position because they sold the call. The only way for the market maker to hedge that position, if they sold the call, is to buy the physical stock at that moment at the lower price. Because in case it goes higher, okay, at least they'll make money with the stock going up because they're going to have to deliver those shares at 100 if they sold the call. So they sell the $100 strike, they've got to deliver the stock at 100 if it gets there. So they got to buy the stock, and that brings in buying pressure into the stock, which pushes the stock higher, which forces more of a short cover. Now shorts come in and cover, which pushes the stock even higher. And as the stock gets closer to the strike price, the gamma is at its highest peak. That's how you get a gamma squeeze. It's like you're forcing market makers to buy the stock by buying really far out of the money expiration call options. Now, gamma squeeze, it goes both ways though. Okay. Because let's say that happens tomorrow and market makers come in and they buy a ton of AMC stock and it pushes the stock up to 60 and they bought the $100 strike expiration for, let's say, Wednesday. Well, let's say Wednesday comes and the stock is nowhere near 100. If the stock is nowhere near 100, what happens? The market maker doesn't need to hedge the position anymore. If everyone buys Friday expiration $100 strike tomorrow, let's say 250,000 contracts, something crazy, market makers might buy the stock to hedge that position. That's going to push the stock higher. But then let's say Thursday comes, then Friday comes, and the stock's at 60, 55, 50. Well, then the market maker doesn't need to hold that stock anymore. They don't need to hedge the position because the stock's not going to get to 100. So the gamma squeeze is taken out of the equation. The market makers sell that stock, and that actually creates selling pressure, which is what happened last week. So last week, everybody was saying to me, everyone's like, oh my God, it was like 173,000 contracts of the $145 strike expiration were bought. The $145 strike, it was like 173,000 contracts. That's a lot of contracts on options that are ridiculously out of the money. Now, every single person that bought those contracts, they lost all of their money. The contracts expired completely worthless. They lost 100% of their money. If you bought those contracts, you lost 100% of your money. but that would cause market makers to come in and buy the stock. But then once the market makers realize, hey, we're not getting anywhere near 145, I don't need to hedge this position anymore, I can sell this stock, they sold it. And look what happened. We were from 60 down to 40. So it goes both ways. It goes both ways. So when you see that type of trading volume on an option like that, that's so far out of the money, that's such high volume, you might get some buying pressure leading into it. But as you get closer to the expiration and market makers say, hey, I don't need this hedge anymore, then they're going to sell the stock. Then the stock starts to come back down. It goes both ways. Okay, it goes both ways. Like I said, Chris Toner, another one of our moderators, he's been trading options for about 20 years, guys. He did a 40-minute presentation last week on a gamma squeeze. Absolutely amazing. So I would go back, check out that live. And then even before that, you guys can check out the other live that I did a whole presentation on. I said, Jason, and welcome to the family, brother. Jason, welcome to the family. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right. So that's AMC, guys. Those are my thoughts there. I already told you guys about CLOV. I sold CLOV. I'll just tell you guys, I sold CLOV right there and there. Those are my sells on CLOV. Okay. Those are my sells on CLOV. Okay. This is a really ugly looking chart. A really, really ugly looking chart. You know, I really think a short position just kind of got squeezed out of that thing. And you had all your Reddit army kind of come rushing in to buy this. It just caused this huge gap up and this huge rally higher. And the stock kind of crapped out. I do not expect CLOV to have the same kind of oomph as AMC. Okay, I don't expect CLOV to do what AMC did. I don't expect it to do what GameStop did either. Okay, I just don't think CLOV has that same kind of punch, which is why I sold my position when we shot up there over 20. Okay, I took my profits on that. You know, I was down on that position, guys. I put CLOV in my long-term portfolio a while ago at 12 bucks. And, you know, the stock went all the way down below 10. So, you know, when this thing gapped up and made that run up into the 20s, I was like, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm taking this. Goodbye. See you later. You know, when I bought the stock at 12, I honestly thought it was maybe a $25 to $35 stock. And when I saw this thing printing 25s, I was like, I'm good. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm taking this one and I'm going. So I was happy to take those profits off on CLOV. Okay, so I'm not a you know, I don't think we're going to get that same kind of oomph as you said in AMC and GameStop. Okay. Hold on one second. All right, guys. Code word time. Because I think now it's time for us to get into our giveaway. It's time for us to get into our giveaway. All right. Like I said, we got a lot of stuff to do here tonight. We got a lot of giveaways. We're giving away a Tesla. We're giving away a Porsche. We're giving away 30 grand. We're giving away 50 grand. And then we got $500 to our TG3 members. All right, guys. So the giveaway. Okay. The code for the giveaway. Okay. Guys, it's going to be on the screen for 60 seconds. HODL. Write it down. This is going to be the code for all of our giveaways. If your name is selected as the winner, Adam is going to call you. Adam is going to ask you very straightforward, what is the code? You must reply with that code. Otherwise, we spin again. You must know this code. Write it down. It is on your screen. HODL. Write it down. It'll be on the screen for another 30 seconds, and then we are taking it off. And you have to reply with that when Adam calls you if you are the winner. Adam, where you at, brother? You ready to do this or what?
I am so happy that that I'm not doing these streams anymore.
Nah, you guys did awesome, man. You guys did awesome last week.
I am good, dude.
You and all the mods, man. You guys did awesome. Guys,
you are so much better. Oh my God. Oh, welcome Jasmine real quick.
Jasmine, welcome to TTG family. How many laptops do you have left? That's a lot of people signed up.
There's a lot that are coming through. I'm trying to keep up with it as we go. We're at 28 right now.
28 left?
Yeah, but we have like 30 people on the checkout page right now.
Oh wow, guys! Listen, if you guys are considering signing up, I would say to head on over there now and secure that laptop. There's only 28 of them left, but there's a bunch of people on the checkout page now. Remember, just enter the coupon code TTG121 to get the 42% discount and to get the free laptop, guys. Don't forget.
All right. So So we talked about this. What do you want to start with here?
Let's start with the lifetime.
Okay, so we'll start with the Porsche.
Yeah, let's start with the Porsche 50K.
All right, let me go ahead. Do you want to explain the rules real quick, Mike, while I do this, while I set this up?
Yeah, sure. All right, so guys, so here's the deal, right? For the Porsche and 50K giveaway, this is for lifetime members only, okay? Lifetime members only, all right? So one lucky lifetime member. Now, how do you become a lifetime member? Folks, we do not have the option to purchase a lifetime membership on the website. They are very limited, and we only offer them to current members. You cannot, if you're not a member of the Training Group, you cannot just buy a lifetime membership, okay? You have to be an annual member first. These spots are very limited. That's why we reserve them specifically for members first, okay? Now, one of our lifetime members, Adam is going to spin the wheel. He'll talk to you guys about this, the program that he's using. It's completely random, okay? All of our lifetime members are loaded up onto that wheel. He spins it. One name comes out. Adam's going to call that person's name out. He will then call that person on their cell phone. If you do not answer, Adam, what do we call him? How much time do we give him?
They have 5 minutes.
They got 5 minutes. Okay.
So if they don't answer, we'll spin for the Tesla.
Right.
And then within 5 minutes, if they don't. Yeah. Right. Exactly.
Cool. So when Adam calls you, you must know the code. I just gave the code out a couple of minutes ago. I told you to write it down. Adam's going to ask you the code. If you know the code, that's it. You are a winner.
All right. Okay? The wheel's going to spin for 30 seconds, guys.
Yeah. Let's do it. Adam, you want to tell them a little bit about the wheel? And
yeah, so guys, this is wheelandames.com. It's as random as it's going to get. Obviously, if you're, in any sort of programming or whatever, you know that nothing is ever truly 100% random, but this is as random as it gets. So we go ahead, we spin the wheel for 30 seconds. The name comes up on the screen. We then go ahead and contact that person. And that person is going to either join us directly on the stream or join us via telephone. All right. So, and they have to tell me the code. If they can't tell me the code, we spin it again. And if they do not answer, we spin it again. Those are the rules. Rules is rules. And all of our members have been informed about these rules for weeks now. All right. So, guys, right now, this is for the lifetime membership giveaway. This is for $50,000 or a brand new 2021 Porsche Macan. All right. Julio Mata, who's on the live stream tonight, he's the one that sells me all of my Porsches. And I'm sure he'll be very happy if whoever this evening takes the
Yes.
Porsche on, because he'll be the one selling it.
Yes, Julio will get the sale.
Hang on a second. One sec.
You gonna try to bring the person on too, Adam? If we can get him on.
Mm-hmm. One sec, dude. Okay. All right, guys, stop typing the code. That's it.
Everybody stop typing the code in chat.
Yeah, the next person that types the code in chat is disqualified. All right. All right. So I can't kill the chat. We're live, guys. So very simple. Everyone's odds are about to improve. The next person that puts the code in chat will be disqualified. So everyone's odds gets to be improved now. So there you go. All right, starting right now. So don't do it. Good luck to all. Joe and Brett on here, keep an eye out, because I will ask you if they're posting it. All right, here we go.
Let's do it, man.
This is a big one, dude.
$50,000 or a Porsche. This is crazy.
It's crazy because all you have to do is just be a lifetime member.
That's it.
Know?
Just be a member.
So ridiculous. All right, here we go. You ready?
Let's do it.
30 seconds. It's going to spin. Name comes up. I get him on the phone. Let's go. Here we go.
Oh, my God, dude. This is a lot of money, man.
50 grand, dude. That's life-changing money. 50 grand is life-changing money.
It's slowing down. It's slowing down.
No whammies, no whammies, no whammies, no whammies.
Chuce! Chuce! Hey, Chuce!
Chuce, I actually believe that they are a brand new lifetime member.
Like just recently upgraded.
I think so. Let me check right now. I'm gonna get them on. One second. Yep, I got them right here. April 27th.
Oh wow! Okay, yeah, it's almost 2 months.
All right, let's get him on. Do you see him in chat right now? I'm not watching the chat. I'm gonna call.
Dude, there's so many people typing. I can't. It's just a bunch of people saying congrats and oh my God, no, he's there. I just saw him. I just saw Chuce. He said, "Are you kidding me?" He just said, "Are you kidding me?"
No, I'm not.
I know. I just saw him. I just saw him in chat. I just saw his name.
Yeah, I'm sitting in here.
You got the code?
HODL. This is unbelievable.
Oh, dude, can you come on the stream if I text you the link? If not, don't even worry about it. I mean, here, I'll just put you up to the mic. All right, hang on. Let's see if this is gonna work.
This is unbelievable, man. Nothing like this happens.
That was good, Adam. I heard him actually really good.
Oh, okay. All right. All right. Chuce, say some stuff for us. Let's see if we got you here.
This is incredible. This is unbelievable. I can't believe it.
Yep. So talk to us for a bit, man. What does this do for you? I mean, is this
well, it's going to get me out of a hole, pay some bills, medical bills and things of that nature. Hope you set me on the right course going forward. Throw a big education in there, keep up with the Colada Club, and even Mike's words of wisdom. This is going to be great, man.
What would you say to, and not just because we're giving you this money, and I assume you're taking the cash, right?
Oh yeah, please.
Okay, cool. Yeah, everyone takes the cash.
Sorry, Javier.
So, question is this? I know that a lot of people, look, we're giving you the money either way. You don't owe us a thing, right? I'm looking for your honest opinion, like, because you just signed up back in April.
Oh, I did the trifecta. I started off with the 3-day. The 1 week. A few days into that, signed up for the yearly. Started going. I was like, wow, this is really a good thing. And I have a cousin that's been day trading a few years, and he told me to look at you guys and learn and don't get foolish. Although I still have my moments. I got to be honest with you. I had a bad day last week. I got a little foolish, a little overconfident. And going back, we looking at the courses and restudying, and you can never know it all. And it's just great. Just great.
What would you say to somebody if they were on the fence about joining True Trading Group, or maybe some of the members that were considering signing up for Lifetime that maybe haven't done it yet?
Well, start off. If you haven't done it, start off with the trial. What's $3? Go ahead and see what it is. Don't come off there think you're going to make $1 million in 2 days. Don't think that's going to happen, because as soon as you believe that, you're going to be in the hole. See what there is. Do the trial. Heed the words. Read the wisdom. Study the lessons. Go up for a year. You want to sign up for a year. Try it out. See how it is. I would also suggest absolutely doing the screener. And then, if it works out for you and you're doing well, sign up for the Lifetime. You don't have to worry after that. Everything's taken care of. You're in the fold. You're part of the crew. And, no regrets.
That's awesome, man. That is really awesome. Well, congratulations. This is my cell phone number that I'm calling you on.
Okay.
Save it. And then tomorrow I will reach out to you. We'll get the paperwork all set up, and I will get a wire out to you for the money. So congratulations, man.
Thank you very much. This is wild. Absolutely wild.
No, it's our pleasure, brother.
Congratulations, man.
Congratulations. Thanks, guys.
Have a good night.
You too. That's awesome, man.
So awesome.
That is really, really awesome. Guys, this is what we do here.
Yeah, man. I don't understand. Like, we've done this.
Ooh, lost you. I hit the wrong one. That's on me.
That's fine. What are we up to now? How much money have we given away now?
Over $500,000.
Are we over $500,000 now?
Yeah, we're gonna hit $1 million we'll hit $1 million definitely by December.
Yeah,
which is our goal, anyways, is to give out $1 million to our members.
That was our goal. Our goal this year was to give back $1 million to our members, and we've done it. We've done these giveaways so many times now, but every time that we do them, I don't know, man. I have like a different. I don't know about you, but like I have like a different kind of energy when I'm like, oh, it's giveaway night. It's giveaway night. Like I'm like. It's just like, dude, it's a lot of money. This is life-changing money. You heard, Chuce, she's like, I'm going to pay some medical bills. I'm going to get myself caught up on something. Like, these are just you don't realize, like what people got going on in their lives. And, just the fact that we're in a position to where we can kind of do these things and just give back to our members and just help our fam as much as we can, man. It's a lot of fun, but it's like, it's a blessing.
I think people don't realize that, like, or non-members don't realize, like, we actually do give a shit, Yeah,
for sure.
So, all right, I'm just loading up the Tesla giveaway.
Cool. Yeah, guys. So now that was the Lifetime.
Mike, Ravenel Singh wants to ask, are you a millionaire? No, dog. He works at McDonald's on his time off. He's literally in the back office at the local Mickey D's. That watch was actually from a Happy Meal.
I hate when you do this to me. I hate when you do this to me.
He's actually broadcasting from his mom's basement. Guys, this is all a total sham. Hang on, it's loading.
So anyway, guys, that was a lifetime giveaway. Okay. That is for lifetime members only. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the Tesla giveaway, which is all of our members. Okay.
Lifetime members are included in that.
Yeah.
Obviously, I removed Chuce from that.
Right. All of our members. So all of our annual members and all of our lifetime members. Now you are going to be that was just lifetime. Now it's lifetime and annual members included are going to have a chance to win $30,000 or a brand new Tesla Model 3. Okay. So.
And unfortunately, we can no longer pay for the Tesla Model 3 with Bitcoin right now.
It's true. This is true.
All right, hang on. I'm loading it up.
I get so excited.
I love these the best. I think the $50,000 one's awesome, but like I really like this one a lot.
I know. I don't know why. I kind of, dude. I feel the same way. I don't know. Maybe because it was like our original.
Yeah, we didn't start off giving away 80 grand.
Yeah.
All right, hang on. Almost there. My internet is at 5 megs.
Guys, the code is the same. Okay, that code.
We're done. We are done giving it out.
Do not type the code in chat. Those of you that know it. Okay, but yes, it's the same. The code that we typed before, that we showed you before, and the code that Chuce just used, it is the same code for the Tesla giveaway. Okay, it's the same code.
All right, so we have 2,216 total entries. Here.
Those are good odds, man.
Those are really good odds. You see Joe? He put all caps. Put the code in the chat, and I will boot you.
So aggressive, Joe.
All right, here we go. Let me share the screen. Make sure that I got it all set up correctly. All right, here we go, man. Let me share the screen. Here it goes. All right, guys. So here, same exact deal here. Okay. You have 2,216 True Trading Group members. This is all the ones that registered for that are a lifetime member or an annual member, all combined. Obviously, Chuce has been removed. Okay. All right. So it's going to spin for 30 seconds. Then we're going to get somebody on the phone, and there we go. All right. You ready?
Let's do it, man. I can't wait.
All right. Little.
Soccer. I see soccer mom. Soccer mom, you're cracking me up. Soccer mom's like, it's pronounced soccer mom. And then when I saw her comment before when Chuce won, she goes, "That's an odd way to pronounce soccer mom."
Yeah, she's awesome.
She is awesome. She's cracking me up.
All right, let's do this. All right, here we go.
All right, man, let's do it. Ah, my heart's pumping, man.
I love this.
Oh, God, here we go. Oh, my God.
I got to verify this, whoever comes up.
Yeah, you got to verify it. Momma T. Momma T.
Oh, that's awesome. I know this one.
Oh, you know her?
Yeah. Is she in chat? Do you see her?
I don't see anything yet.
Hang on.
I mean, I also don't know. You know, her YouTube name may not be the same as her.
Give me a sec. I'll get it. I'll get it right now.
I don't see anything. I mean, there's so many people typing. It's hard for me to keep up.
Shit. All right, I got her. I'm gonna call her right now.
All right. Momma T. I feel like that should be like a WWE wrestler, like Momma T.
Her name's Teresa.
Momma
Hang on
T.
one second.
Momma.
Huh?
Yes.
I am not kidding you, Teresa.
Oh my God, Momma T is here!
Momma T.
Oh, turn your YouTube down.
Hey, turn my chat down. Wait a minute, my son just took it away. I am so excited.
That is amazing.
This is awesome.
Yep.
Oh,
So
so
congratulations. And guys, she did give the code, and obviously she's on the stream because I heard my voice echoing in the background. So we're good.
I have HODL as the code.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Congratulations. So what are you doing? You doing cash or car? 30 grand or a new Tesla?
If it was the Porsche and I was in on the Porsche, I was going to go Porsche, but I think I'm going to go cash because I don't know if you saw in chat on TTG, but my mom just passed away and I had to pay for her funeral. So
Oh my God.
I'm sorry.
I did not see that. I'm so sorry. And I am also so grateful that you won and you can use this to cover those expenses.
that is so incredible.
Yeah, that is awesome.
You know, I had some people helping me during some options trades because I had lost big. Well, different things happened with my mom. And the last couple of weeks, I started coming back and hitting it big and changing everything around. So it has been an incredible experience with you guys.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. That is awesome. All right. Well, I'm so sorry that you're going through that, but I am so grateful that you're doing well or you're doing better with this. And I know this will never replace a family member, obviously, but I'm really glad that, that you were the winner tonight and you can use this to help cover some of those expenses. And it's just one less thing to worry about.
One less thing to worry about.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
So that is fantastic. All right. So what I'll do tomorrow is save the cell phone number. I'm gonna text you tomorrow, and then we'll do the paperwork, and I'll get you out a wire.
All right. Thank you.
You are so. What would you say to someone? I mean, aside from giving the money, right? What would you say to somebody that is maybe not a member or that was thinking about joining True Trading Group? Like, what would you say to someone there?
I would tell anybody that has not actually joined yet, listen, I thought I knew enough about stocks to do this before. And once I joined True Trading Group, it changed how I saw. The TTG triangle changed my life. And not just that, the profit and loss management was incredible. That alone, I went over 2 to 3 times because I sat on things like during times my mom would go in the hospital or something. I would say, okay, it's going to go up. It's going to go up. It's not. You have to know your support and resistance lines. You have to know that. And you have to know where you cut your losses and where you take your profits. And True Trading Group totally taught me about that.
No, it's our absolute pleasure. And again, and you're also a lifetime member, right?
Yes, I am.
Oh man,
Awesome.
Yep. Actually, my son and I my family and I, but my son is 18. I'm trying to teach him about this too. We were down in Siesta Key for vacation last week. We'd already had this planned, and there was a macabre that went by. And I was telling him, I said, you know, a lot of people that I know in this thing have cars like that. And he's like, Mom, you continue to teach me, and one day I'll own that car.
oh man, I just got goosebumps.
Oh, that makes
So
me,
it was
so
just,
happy to hear that.
you know, watching all these expensive cars go by, he was like, he knows about all these cars. I mean, besides Porsches, Lamborghinis, I didn't know about all these other new cars that are out there that are expensive. And it was cool as hell to see him go, I'll own a car like that one day.
Hell yeah, and more.
Hell yeah. Hell yes.
And more, and any role that we can play in that is just an honor to be a part of that with you guys.
Stardom young.
Oh yeah, and that's what I want to do. I want to teach him. I wish I had somebody who had taught me this when I was younger.
Yeah,
Being
soccer mom just said it. Guys, the right people won today.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so
I agree with that 100%.
She's right. I am so blessed just to be a part of this group.
Oh man, Teresa, that's amazing, and we're equally as honored that you're here. So.
Oh, absolutely. You guys have done so much for us. It was funny because while we were on vacation, I was trading, and my daughter, I have an older daughter that was with us, and she was like, "What are you doing?" And I'm like, "I can't hold any baggies." So before we would go to the beach in the morning, I'd be like, "Oh, I got to do a little bit of trading."
No,
But I mean, Jason, the professor, every morning, I am on before 7:30 every morning going over stuff. He teaches you how to do that. He teaches you how to read your stuff, know where your support and resistance is. Everybody, Mike, SUGE, you, Jason Spadafora, everybody in this group is incredible. Incredible.
You're incredible.
Awesome. You're incredible. This is awesome. Awesome. All right. Well, you have a great night. I'm really, really happy that you won and that Chuce won, and I'll contact you tomorrow. We'll get this all set up.
Go celebrate with your kids.
Thank you again. Thank you, everybody in the TTG family.
Thank you.
You guys are all great in chat. Everybody throwing out things for us to look for. All the members.
That's right.
Showing out things worth watching. That's what this group is all about.
That is awesome.
Spot on.
Ah.
I know she can't hear me. She can't hear me because her son took the laptop away from her.
Yeah. I wish you could see my excitement.
No, we feel it. Trust me. It is awesome.
Yeah, we feel it. We feel it for sure. We feel it right here.
I feel it.
So awesome.
Man.
So awesome.
All right. You guys have a good night.
You too.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, that was the best one, dude.
I love what we do.
Yeah.
Period.
Yeah, that's something special right there. That's really more than any. I mean, that's really more than I don't even know. I'm like kind of lost for words,
Yes.
because again, you got to think about it like this, like True Trading Group is a business, But like, what other business or job or any that you know, like, that is able to do this type of thing? Like the fact that we have, like, because look, all these people in here, they're the ones that put in the effort and the work. All we did was put the right tools and community and stuff in the right place, and these guys make it happen.
Yeah, man.
You know, it's just really, really amazing. And then, guys, the last thing we're going to do tonight, something different. We're going to go ahead and all of our TTG3 members that signed up tonight, we are going to go ahead and spin the wheel. And when the name comes up, we're not going to call them or get them on or anything, but I'm going to send them an email. They are going to get $500. All right? Same rules, guys. One last time. Here we go.
A lot less users this time.
Yes, yeah, because it's just from today. So 51.
Right. All right, guys. 1 in 51 chance of getting $500.
All right.
Looks like John Bacon. Can it be John Bacon?
Nope.
Or is it Allison
Flynn? Allison Flynn.
Allison Flynn is Ed
All right, so
coming up the rear. Ed O'Hara makes a sprint towards the finish line.
Ed O'Hara, you just won $500, buddy. You have no obligation to join us at all.
Yeah.
But you did win $500, so I will shoot you an email and I will get your PayPal, and congratulations. And thus concludes our nightly giveaway.
Another amazing night. You know, one thing that I want to just hit on, man, is like something Teresa said, which, you know, when she was talking about like, thank you to all the members, you know, and I don't think not enough people say that, you know, like, thank you to the members.
We have the absolute best community. I mean, you get so much with your trading group, but we really do have the best community.
Best. What do we have? 6,300 members about?
It's a lot. It's a lot. It's like 60, almost 6,400, 6,500.
So almost 6,500 members. Guys, I got to tell you, man, we have literally the best group of not just traders, but the best group of people, like the best group of human beings. I mean, the camaraderie and the support that our members have for one another, and the love that our members have for one another, because guys, we're all in this game together. You guys have to realize we are all in this together. We are all literally trying to learn, trade, and profit together. That is our slogan: learn, trade, profit. That is our slogan, right? We all have the same goal. We're all on the same team. We're all trying to accomplish the same things. This is not a hey, who can make the most money and who can stand on top of the mountain and look down on the rest. Waid and Dan, welcome to the family. Waid and Dan, welcome to the family. You know, it's like,
Mike, I'm going to bid you adieu and get back to my role. I did this for a whole week. I'm done.
Go ahead, man. Go ahead. You know, and like she said something, she's like, you know, thank you for all the members that are calling out, you know, things to look at and things to see. And that's the point, right? That's the point of being in a trading group. The point of being in a trading group is so that you all make each other better. That's the point. I have 2 eyeballs, folks. I can't look at 2,000 stocks at the same time. I can't. But as a group, we can. As a group, we can. You know, it's not just about me helping to make members better, or the other mods helping to make members better. It's not just what it's about. My members make me better. Our members make our other moderators better. You want to know why? Because we are teaching our members to identify the same type of opportunities that I identify. And how do you do that? By using the same type of education that I learned when I worked at the fund. That's how I learned how to do this. I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I was taught by professionals on Wall Street. I was taught by them. I've just simplified that education and I've expanded on it, and I teach it to my members. So now, yeah, maybe I can't look at 2,000 stocks, but my chat of my members can. I can't tell you guys how many times that I've had a member, maybe Mike Tyrex comes to mind just recently. Money, username Money recently, you know, just kind of bringing things to my attention. These are just people that just recently had brought some setups right to my attention, but that list is very long. And you know, other members that have brought things to my attention, you guys all know who you are, where I'll have a member message me during the day and say, hey, Mike, take a look at this XYZ. You know, this is looking pretty good here. The volume profile looks great. You know, take a look. This might be something. I pull it up. I take a look at the chart and I go, whoa. I go, Jim, you know, this is a really nice looking setup. Looks like we got really good support there around 10, a nice low volume pullback. I'm gonna look for a buying zone here in front of 10. Then I'll come on the microphone. I'll say, hey guys, real quick, you know, pull up XYZ. And then I take that trade, buy the stock at $10.27, and the stock just rips to 13. Happens all the time. Now, if it wasn't for my member bringing that to my attention, I never would have made that trade. That's money that is now in my pocket that otherwise never would have been there. That's the point of trading in a group. It's not to stroke the ego of the head trader. That's the point. That's what it's about. And Teresa said it perfectly, and Teresa said it best. And Teresa said, like, thank you to all the members, and I'll say thank you to all the members. You guys all make me better traders, just like I help make you guys better traders. We all help each other become better traders, and that is what True Trading Group is all about. Plain and simple. All right. So again, another awesome night tonight. Just an absolute awesome night tonight of giveaways. What I would like to do right now is I'd like to know how many people here are not members. Type TTG in chat right now if you're not a member of True Trading Group. Type the letters TTG. Ravenel says, I didn't mean millionaire, I meant billionaire. No, I'm not a billionaire. I am not even close to a billionaire. One day. Not now. Not now. Let's see. Garrett Scott. We got Mark Semenek. We got Ronnie Romero. MT Rock. Blake Martin. Quan Whitlow. Great G36. Oh, Christian Liberty just joined tonight. Christian Liberty, welcome to the family. Oh, Ed O'Hara's on, Adam. Ed O'Hara's here. Ed, I don't know if you saw Ed. You won $500 tonight, brother. Congratulations. We got Tycoon. We got Mark Penalosa. We got Joris Boss. We got Samin Yakiki. We got Crazy BBS. Tiffany Bowman. Luis. Deborah Olson. We got Raf Ghul. Alex JN, Mark Rye, Vaz Don, MM, Quentin Bobo, H. Kwan, Vash Q. Guys, welcome. A lot of non-TTG members that are still here with us, guys. Welcome, all of you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. For those of you that just type TTG in chat, if you guys haven't realized it by now, but one thing that you'll get from me is absolute, complete, and total honesty. I don't sugarcoat anything. I don't blow smoke up your ass. I'm not going to sit here and say, join TTG, you'll make $1 million tomorrow. Trading is not easy. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You've got to be willing to put in the time, energy, and effort to actually learn this skill. It is just like learning any other skill, all right? You're not just going to say, hey, you know what? You know what I'm going to do tomorrow? I'm going to go learn how to play tennis. And just all of a sudden think you're going to be this masterful tennis player. No. You're going to learn how to play. You're going to suck at first. You're going to have to practice. You're going to have to get lessons. You're going to have to keep going and keep playing. And eventually you'll get better if you put in the time, the energy, and the effort to actually try to get better. Trading is no different, folks. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Okay? But whether the markets are up, down, left, right, sideways, center, upside down, left, in, right, who cares? I don't care. We're making money. We're becoming better traders in True Trading Group. And if you don't believe me, I want you to watch this right now. My TTG family members, if you are a member of True Trading Group and you are making money and flat out, you're just a better trader because of True Trading Group. I want you to sound off in chat right now. Let them know. Anyone that typed TTG, anyone that's still not a member, I want you right now to just stop looking at me, stop listening to me, and I want you to read these comments that are about to come through on the side of your screen here right now. These are TTG members that are making money and just becoming better traders because of True Trading Group. Guys, sound off in chat right now if you're making money with TTG and becoming a better trader. Folks, pay attention to all these comments. These are people just like you. There's no difference between you and these people. None. None. They've got full-time jobs just like you. They've got no experience just like you. They got small accounts just like you. They found True Trading Group, guess what? Same way you did, live stream or a referral from a friend or family member. Look at all these people commenting. Now, listen, although 80% of our TTG members are doing well, meaning they're making money, they're becoming better traders, that still means 20% of our family are struggling. And at TTG, we leave no trader behind. Just as much as it's important for me to recognize those having success, it's equally as important for me to recognize those struggling. I told you, I don't sugarcoat anything. I'm straight up with you guys. But that's why we hold red to green workshops every month. These are live events in our chat where our members that are struggling, they submit to us questions, topics that they're struggling with, and we cover it live. It's all recorded and then it's posted in our video library for the whole community to go back and watch it later. Those are our red to green workshops for our members that are still struggling. We leave no trader behind. Guys, I know it's not possible to have 100% success rate. It's not possible. I know that. I get it. But I'll be damned if I'm not going to try for it. You know, Adam said it, made a good point before. TTG is a business at the end of the day. It's a hell of a business. But the business is only as good as the members are doing. You know, we get up every day. We got to earn the trust and support of our members. Yes, that means well long after they sign up and they pay their yearly membership fee. We don't take lightly the responsibility and the trust that we are given by our members, and we work hard every day to earn it and keep it. Guys, these are people's lives we're talking about. You know, you saw Teresa, you heard Chuce. You know, these are people who were, you know, yes, it's from a giveaway and everything. The giveaways are fun. The giveaways are cool. And it's a lot of excitement. But guys, at the end of the day, you know, 30 grand, 50 grand, you know how many times over you can make that over the course of the next year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15, 20 years, when you guys are actually able to become consistently profitable? That's the real life changer. That's why you sign up for True Trading Group. Don't sign up for True Trading Group just because you want a chance to win a Tesla. Sign up for True Trading Group because you guys want to actually get a real professional education that can help you learn a new skill. Guys, no one's going to do the work for you that's needed to achieve your goals. It starts with you. You've got to be willing to put the time, energy, and effort in. But you're going to need the right education, the right tools, and to be part of the right community that's going to help you to learn, trade, and profit. That's what TTG is all about. Okay, Adam and I and the rest of our TTG fam, we work 12 to 15 hours a day minimum, guys, on TTG and our family members. I told you from before, our 1 year membership, it's normally $2,212, but from now until midnight Pacific, you can save 42%. It brings the price all the way down to just $1,274. Use the coupon code TTG121. You're going to get a free laptop. There's 20 of them left. We had 40 when we started this live stream. We are now down to 20. The next 20 people that use that coupon code TTG121 will get a free laptop. We even cover the shipping. Yes, we ship globally, and you're going to get that 42% discount. There's no upsells. There's no add-ons, nothing. Okay, we're like the Netflix of trading communities. All right, guys, as a member of True Trading Group, you get access to the top premium trading tools and products because they're bundled together as part of your membership. Adam, if you want to pull it up, we can walk them through it and show them. You get access to our Benzinga Pro real-time news feed. This is our live breaking to the second news alert service right inside chat. Guys, I can't tell you how much money that we have made and saved because of this news feed, because we get news like that. In this market, the trader that gets the news first wins, period. This is included free with your membership. You also get quote streams, real-time level 1 and full book level 2, okay, included with your membership. That's full market maker depth. That's part of our trade simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money with real-time data while you practice implementing what you've learned in the courses. Prove to yourself you can make money on the simulator first before you start trading with hard-earned money. Please, it is there for you. Use it. Then you also have access to our Trade Ideas real-time scanner that has small caps, mid caps, large caps, stocks that are making new highs, stocks that have unusual volume. That Trade Ideas scanner is included with your membership. Guys, all of this is included for free. Plus, TradingView's Pro Plus charting software. Guys, this is one of the most actively used, this is one of the most commonly used charting softwares by active traders today. It's included for free, yours, with your membership. You're getting a minimum 10 easy to follow, actionable real-time alerts per week from a community of members currently sporting about an 83% win rate, and we are fully transparent. We keep a trading journal on our website that tracks literally every buy and every sell that our moderators make, so you can track and follow along and see how you would be doing had you been following along with all of these trades. Okay, it's all right there on the site for you guys to see. Then you're also going to get one small private study group with any one of our TTG moderators. This is your chance to ask us questions, topics, things that you want to go over. Then you get our curriculum, the entire curriculum. Okay, folks, this is a simplified version of the information and the education that I learned when I was working at the fund. We've got beginner and foundation courses. We've got advanced courses, option courses, swing trading courses, trader psychology courses, crypto courses, you name it, we've got it. You have access to all of it. There's not any VIP or pro courses that cost more money. You have access to every single course when you join with coupon code TTG121 and pay only $12.74. Guys, that's just over $100 a month. They're all in text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. Then you have a video library. This has over 100 hours of additional educational video content, like how to grow a small account, how to trade while working a full-time job, just to name a few. All included for free with your membership. And then you have access to the chat room where we share our screen, we're talking on the mic, we're sending out real-time alerts. You can private message me and the mods, ask us questions. Guys, all of that you get for $12.74. Your next question should probably be, why do you do all of it? Why do you give all that away for just $1,274? I was part of another group that charged $5,000 for something like that. Why do you do it for $12.74? Well, I'll tell you why. I'll answer it with a question. I want all of you right now, okay, type the letter I in chat if you've been a part of another group and you were promised the world only to feel like you were always just another $1,000 upsell away from reaching your goals. Type the letter I in chat right now. Folks, you see these letter I's that are coming through chat right now? See all these letter I's? That's why. It shouldn't be this way. It really shouldn't. It shouldn't be this way. It shouldn't be this difficult. We want to disrupt this entire industry, folks. We want to change the way this entire industry operates. And that's why we do it. But at the same time, you also have to know your worth. We know the stuff that we give away is worth 10 times what we charge, which is why we're going to be moving our price to $2,500. We're going to be there a lot sooner than you think. And even at that level, you're getting 10 times the value, but of what the price really should be. We'll be over 2K before you guys know it. So that's why if you guys have ever thought about joining TTG, the time to do so is right now, because you can get $12.74 until midnight Pacific tonight with a free laptop when you use coupon code TTG121. Again, go to the link in the chat, guys. Be sure to enter the code TTG121. Click apply code to get your free laptop. Guys, the value that you get at $12.74 is ridiculous because Benzinga charges $1,188 a year for that news feed that's included free with your membership. That's almost your entire membership is just in the value of the news feed. Not to mention everything else. Guys, the real-time level 2 with the full book data, that's $990 a year from QuoteStream. It's included free with your membership. The trade simulator is $750 a year. That's free with your membership. And TradingView charges $720 a year for that membership, included free. Just those 4 things is $3,648 a year if you signed up for them on your own. They're all included free with your membership to TTG. Guys, the price is going up by a couple of bucks every day. We're going to be over $2,000 before you know it. That's still cheaper than the competition. We're giving 10 times the value. And plus, if you pay $12.74 today, you're locking yourself in at that price. Meaning next year, when our membership is $2,500, if next year our membership is $2,500 and it comes time to renew, you're only going to pay $12.74. Okay, you're only going to pay $12.74. You're not going to be paying $2,500. I want to buy the membership, but then I won't have money to invest. Hell on Earth Gaming. Listen, that's not true. Okay, you know, there's a big common misconception that a lot of people have is that they think they need like thousands and thousands of dollars to get started trading. You simply don't. A lot of our members started with less than $1,000 in their account. Here, watch. Hell on Earth. Watch this. My THD fam, if you started with less than $1,000, sound off in chat and tell me how much you started with. Sound off in chat and tell me how much you started with when you first joined Chuce Trading Group. If it was less than $1,000. AV May 150. The Game of Stocks 500. Jim Dandy 500. Julie Colts 200. Matt Lawhon 500. OK Trader 600. Alan Albury 300. GoFundMe Sour 150. Val Kill 500. The Whiskey Brothers $800. Dean Smith $125. SPC Rob $725. Ronnie Snipes $300. Bruce Sears started with $500. He made 4 times that just last week. Diane Fig started with $100. Okay, you guys get the point. You do not need thousands and thousands of dollars to get started trading. You just simply don't. There's actually an entire video. I did an entire workshop on how to trade with a small account. It's in that video library. I actually just did it. And I actually just did one in our last Trader Palooza on how to trade it with a small account. You guys, I'm telling you, man, you're going to want to check out that video library. There's a ton of golden nuggets and great lessons and education that are in there. Okay, guys, our goal is to disrupt this entire industry. To do that, we've got to provide insane value and results at a price substantially less than our so-called competitors. It's just that simple. My fam, have you guys made your membership fee back? Sound off in chat right now. Tell me how long it took for you to make back your membership fee. Joe McKenna started with $1,000. He's now up to $4,200 in just over 1 month. Joe McKenna, that's absolutely incredible, brother. Keep it up. Savannah, oh my God, Savannah, I'm so proud of you. Savannah, oh my God. Savannah started in August with $2,500. Today, she's at $28,000. CRW made their membership fee back in 4 days. Joe, a week. Joe Rick, 1 month. Abhishek, 1 month. 3 weeks for Roxanne. 6 weeks for Kawakawa. Thomas Cullen made their membership fee just by watching live streams, never mind the membership. 3 days for Mark, and has since made his membership 15 times over. It took Julie a few months, but that was because she was working 60+ hour weeks. 60 days for Alan Albury with a small account. Took Chuce 3 days. 1 week for Scott. Oh, CRW, Sava. I remember the Sava trade, bro. CRW, I remember the Sava trade. About 2 months for Bruce. 1 month for Tony. He's almost there after a month. Guys, and these are people with small accounts. Angel took 3 weeks to earn back not only the membership, but a lifetime membership too. May Armstrong took 2 weeks. You see what I'm saying? Like, this is great. I love seeing this. Guys, way to go, Bill. Bill started with 1,500, is now up to 8,000 since February. Yes. Hell yeah. Great job, Bill. Really great job. All right, guys. We are also 5-star rated on Trustpilot. I really encourage you guys to go read those reviews. I really do. Guys, over 1,200 people have taken the time to leave us a review on Trustpilot. We are 5-star rated. Go read the. Yeah, let's Adam pull one up, man. I'll actually read one. I'll read one right now. Let's see what we got. You got one for me that we can read? Oh wow, nice. All right, here we go. Oh, this is just 3 hours ago. From Loves Jaguars. I also love Jaguars. They are majestic creatures. One visit and you'll say, there's no place like home. Everything that TGD says it will do or offer, they do and they offer. No bait and switch, no promises, and then big letdowns. No, just a few dollars more, and you can learn this other critical. Yes, right? That's exactly what I was talking about. It's all there for one fair membership price. Some reading, but mostly video. TGD provides quality education that you can study at your own pace with clear examples that are easy to follow and understand. It is education that is custom designed, developed, and delivered. You learn terms and technical analysis that you can instantly apply to reading charts and start trading. The education series is reinforced by TGD with a number of additional video offerings to address specific topics and trading approaches. TGD has a team of moderators, mods, who are with you throughout the trading day in the live. Just scroll up for me, Adam. Adam, can you scroll up? Yeah, because the sign up now thing is in my way when I'm trying to read it. Let me see. Okay. Who are with you throughout the trading day in the live chat room to answer questions and coach you along the trades. Additionally, Michael Edward, the lead trader, also trades with members daily. Michael talks through trade logic analysis and identifies trade entries, exits, and stop areas. All the mods share their approach to either day or swing trades, including options. Each evening, there's a live stream recap of the trading day where we review trades, see the charts, and ask questions. But what you really want to know is, are members actually making money? Yes, we are. I will only speak for me. Since I've joined, I learned where and why I went wrong. I've started trading just a few trades a week, and I've made about 20% on my trades and started replenishing the account I drew down before I joined the True Trading Group. The members are great too and help each other with trading analysis. I've belonged to other trading groups. One wanted $3,000 just to learn the basics and then charges $1,000 more if you want to learn different types of trading. Another charge you for membership, charge for a simulator, and charge for additional services, all for several hundred to $1,000 each. TTG is right up front. It's one membership fee to join, and TTG provides members a stock scanner, a live data trading simulator, charting. Scroll up. Charting software and stock screener. Lastly, TGD maintains a daily updated trade history of all their trades, winners and losers. The TGD team is just that, a team that is dedicated to its members and is transparent in the quality of their trades. Joining TGD is the best thing I've done, and now it's actually paying off. Check it out. It won't take long to see what I mean. Loves Jaguars. That's a beautiful review. Loves Jaguars. I don't know if you're on the live stream or not, but thank you for leaving that review. That's actually an amazing review. Thank you very much for that. But guys, I mean, in case you realize, I mean, they just kind of reiterated everything that I've said to you on this live stream. I told you, man, I'm upfront with you guys. I don't sugarcoat anything. I really encourage you guys to go read some of those reviews. There's no better referral than that of your peers. All right. So like I said, guys, the price of our membership, it's going up after midnight Pacific tonight. So if you guys want to lock in that $12.74 price point, use that coupon code. Don't forget, you've got the free laptop. There's only 15 left. We had 40 when we started. They probably won't last until midnight Pacific. So use that coupon code to claim the next 15 people will get a free laptop. Again, you have to actually enter the code TTG121, click apply code. You'll know you're getting a laptop if your laptop is in your checkout. If you get to your checkout and the laptop is not there, that means we are out of laptops. If there's a laptop in your checkout, that means you are one of the 15 that are left. Okay? And guys, like I said, we also have that money back guarantee. Don't forget that. All right, that money back guarantee, folks. I stand behind my platform. I stand behind the education. I put my money where my mouth is. And that is why any person that uses that coupon code, TGD121, if you go through all our courses, you pass all the quizzes, and you attend one private study group, do those 3 things, put in an effort, show me you tried. If you don't make your membership fee back at least once, I'll give you all your money back. I'm dead serious. I'll give you a full refund if you don't make that membership fee back at least once. That's how confident I am that with a little bit of work, this can work for you. Guys, everything I'm saying to you, it's right on the website. You can see it right there on the website. There's your money back guarantee right there on the website. Right there. Those 5-star reviews, over 1,240 of them, they're right there on Trustpilot for you to read. Do it. But do it fast because there's only 15 laptops left. Okay? So TTG121, use that coupon code. I am back. Man, does it feel good. Man, have I missed you all. My TTG fam, I love you. I missed you. I will see you in chat tomorrow. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on those notifications. Smash that like button if you haven't done so already. And use coupon code TTG121 to get the free laptop, get the 42% discount, and get your butts in chat tomorrow. And let's see how we're going to make some money this week. Thanks for joining me tonight, guys. You're the best. I love you all. Have a great night. I'll see you guys in chat tomorrow. Later, guys.